Hey friend, it's Melanie Ferguson here with Southern Crush at Home, and I am super excited to bring you guys another favorite 5 things that I found online this week. Let's get started. Okay, so this little jacket, I think it's like a kimono. It is so super cute. Do you like how I'm just doing this? Because it is so cute. It is got blue and pink florals. My favorite. Makes me sort of feel like I'm on vacation when I'm on staycation. So check it out. I love it. It's one size fits all. It's got these cute little 3/4 length sleeves. I love this kimono. Okay, the second thing is super exciting. If you have been following me doing these for a little while, you know that I'm obsessed with glasses. And so I had to invest in myself a little glasses garage. This is my little garage that I am keeping all of my glasses in. I love how it's see-through and I can see them. Put this right up on my desk. Then I can just pick and choose each day what goes with my outfit. Let's see here. We've got all these drawers. Look at this. All 3 drawers, and each of the sections are divided by a little clear divider. Do you see that divider in there? Absolutely perfect. Okay, so let's pick some. Let's just grab these little pink ones. We'll go with it. Pink for the win. Okay, so these are super cute, but let me show you a second idea with this. You could literally take the glasses out, and if you like washi tape like I do, you could store your washi tape in here. How cute of an idea is that? So basically you would put it in here, you would store it this way with your washi tape in it, and then you would open it up this way when you wanted to get your washi tape out. How stinking cute is that? I love this idea. All right. The third favorite thing that I found this week is kind of something that I had to do. So I don't know about you, but my teeth get really sensitive when I buy those regular teeth whiteners. This one has coconut in it. It is all natural. It literally whitens your teeth and does not leave them sensitive at all. It's called Luminex. I'm gonna put the link down here, but I want to tell you a little secret. So I've been using this for a while, and I like to be really super frugal. So what I'll do is let me show you. There's an upper and a lower little strip here. I just use one of them. So I will use the upper strip on the top, and then I'll use the lower strip on the top the next day. So I get twice the use out of these because I've noticed that nobody notices your bottom teeth. They're not really teeth that are seen all the time. And and then the bottom strip that they give you is so generous. It covers at least the first 6 to 8 teeth. And that's really all you got to cover, guys. So I swear by this Luminex, it's amazing. I would definitely give it a try. If you drink coffee all day long like I do, I have to do something about the stains. Okay, Number 4, I have this amazing buddy. I call it my buddy. This is my air fryer, guys. It's so light. It's so portable. It is so easy. Now listen, I am late to the party. I recognize that. I am one of the last people to get an air fryer. But I mainly got this one because it did not have all the bells and whistles, nothing digital for me to have to figure out, because I don't know about you, but by dinner time, I'm pooped. I'm done. I just want to be able to grab this dial, put it on the right temperature, turn this to the couple of minutes, and be done. So basically the way it works is you put your ingredients in here, super big container here, especially for just my husband and I. And then I put it in here, turn it on, forget about it. Forget about it. Come back, everything's hot and crispy. I love it. There are so many air fryer recipes. Guys, put down your best air fryer tips for me, please, in the comments. I am open to any and all of them. I don't want to mess this up. I've used it several times. I would say probably about 5 times now, and I love it. But I know you guys that are been having this for years have better tips for me than I could ever imagine. But I just wanted to show that for if any of you are late to the party like me and you don't have an air fryer yet, grab that one. I'll put the link to that exact one below. Okay, last but not least, number 5 is this I can't even say it, La Raffine I can't say it, but it sounds fancy. It sounds fancy. Look, this is an eye mask. If you have not ever rested or slept with an eye mask, you are missing out, my friend. This one right here is one of my favorites. It is so stinking soft. Oh my gosh, I can't even explain how soft. Maybe like a baby's butt. Maybe like a baby's butt. But this elastic band in here is completely adjustable, and then you put this little silk thing back over it. Guys, this is amazing. Let me show you what it fits like first. So if you've never worn one of these, I'm doing this for you. It's a complete blackout. Like, I cannot see anything. Nothing in front, no shadows, no peaks from around the corners, the edges. It's literally blacked out. And how super cute is it? It's super cute. I can't see, but it's super cute. All right, so enough of that shenanigans. It also comes, and this is my favorite part, with this amazing insert. Look at this insert. It is got all of these little beads in here, and you can heat it up or you can chill it, either one, and it instantly soothes your eyes. So you can tuck it in this little holder in here, and bada bing, bada boom. Friends, look at this. Look at this. I'm trying to get it all even in there. This is the bomb. I'm gonna hop off here and I'm gonna go put this on for a little while. And I think that the rule should be, if mama has this on her eyes, nobody's home. Like, nobody's home. Don't bother me. Don't talk to me. I'll be back later. So if you are loving these 5 things, let me know in the comments below. But we started with this kimono. It's got really cute sleeves. It's just fun to throw over a regular t-shirt. We had the glasses and the washi tape idea container. Guys, I'm gonna be getting a second one of these because I can just see me having like a tower of these. I absolutely love it. We had my teeth whitener because hashtag if you drink coffee, you need one of these. And then I've got my buddy, my little chef man. Super convenient and fun for those fried foods that you just don't want to get your kitchen all greasy for. And then we finished up with this awesome little eye mask. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so awesome. So awesome. Anyway, I love you guys. Mwah. Have a fabulous weekend. Bye.